Welcome to my channel. This is my first video regarding the Staad Pro software. Before going directly to the software, we want to keep in mind some points regarding structural analysis and design and its workflow of Staad Pro. Introduction to Staad Pro. Structural Analysis and Design.program is the full form of Staad Pro, and here we select V8I Series 6. Structural analysis is an integral part of any structural engineering project, its function being the prediction of the performance of the structure under prescribed loads and other external efforts. It deals with various structural systems from simple structures like beams, columns, slabs to complex structures like frames, walls, bridges, foundations, etc. Structural design is the process of selecting optimized cross-sectional dimensions to provide the required stability under service loads. We want to understand some of the terms used in the Staad Pro and the manual structural analysis process. Types of structures to be understood in both structural analysis and in the software. A structure can be defined as an assemblage of elements. We all know it is all our elements. And in Staad Pro, we are drawing, if we draw any column, any beam, these are all our elements. Staad Pro is capable of analyzing and designing structures consisting of frames, plate or shell and solid elements. Almost any type of structure can be analyzed by Staad Pro software. In Staad Pro, structures are classified into the following 4 types. First one, space. A 3D framed structure with loads applied in any plane. This structure type is the most general. If we want to model, analyze and design a building, we want to use the criteria space. Any 3D framed structure can be analyzed and designed in space model. Next one is plane. The structure type is bound by a global XY coordinate system with loads in the same plane. Here there is no width. If a structure or the element does not have a width or z-axis, we can analyze that structure in plane model. Next one is truss. We all see the truss works. And if we want to model, analyze and design a truss, we want to choose truss model. This structure type consists of truss member which can have only axial member forces and no bending in the members, and here there is no bending moment, only axial forces are analyzing. The fourth one is floor model, a 2D or 3D structure having no horizontal, that is global X or Z movement of the structure. Fx, Fz and My are restrained at every joint. The floor framing in global XZ plane of a building is an ideal example of this type of structure. Columns can also be modeled with the floor in a floor structure as long as the structure has no horizontal loading. If there is any horizontal plane load, it must be analyzed as a space structure. If there is any horizontal plane load, it must be analyzed as a space structure. So most of the cases we are modeling, analyzing and designing always in space model. And these 4 types should be keep in mind while doing analysis or design works in Staad Pro software. Okay, Staad Pro V8I Series 6 is a general purpose structural analysis and design program with applications primarily in the building design, commercial buildings, bridges and highway structures, industrial structures, chemical plant structures, dams, retaining walls, turbine foundations, culvert and other embedded structures. And this is the logo of Bentley Staad Pro V8I Series 6. And the other important part of the Staad Pro is to understand the workflow, or we want to understand the step-by-step process in Staad Pro software. The Staad Pro follows the basic process of modeling, analysis and design through the following steps. First one, model generation. Define the basic geometry of the structure using members and plates or solids. First, we want to draw the structure or model the structure. Second one is section properties. Define the sizes of the members. After model, after the drawing, we want to specify the sizes of the members. Third one is material properties. Specify the materials such as concrete or steel to define Poisson's ratio, Young's modulus, density, etc. Fourth one is member specification. Define the member orientations, offset, releases, etc. Fifth one is support specification. Specify the support locations and the boundary conditions. That means which type of support you are going to provide, it should be specified. Sixth one is loads. Design and assign loads such as sulfate, dead, live, wind, seismic and load combination. The type of load you are going to provide, it should be specified. Seventh one is analysis. Indicate the type of analysis to be performed with associated points. What type of analysis to be carried out? That should be specified. Eighth one is post-processing commands. Extract and review the analysis result. We can see the analysis result and we can give the review or extract through post-processing command. Ninth one is design. Specify the suitable commands for concrete or steel design. We want to specify the type of code, which type of code you are using for concrete and steel design. We want to specify the code. And 10th one is the report generation. And finally, the whole report of a building we can generate from report generation option. And these 10 factors should be kept in mind while designing or modeling or analysis a building or structure. This is the graphical user interface, GUI, or we can say it is the view window of the Staad Pro software. We can go to the software. This is the open window of the software. Here you can see the ribbon tab. Ribbon tab consists of File, Edit, View, Tools, Select, Geometry, Commands, Analyze, Mode, Window, Help. And below the ribbon tab, you can see the ribbon tool tabs. All the tools in the ribbon tool tabs are always seen in the ribbon tab menus. Each and every tools are there and it can be seen in this ribbon tool tabs. And this is the workflow page control. We can model, design, geometry, provide geometry or model, specifications we can apply, that is load definition, support, specification, materials, then analysis and print. Then this is the option for designing. Option for designing. On the right side of the window you can always see a data area. Data area contains the dialogues and tables which are used to enter and review data for your model. It always on the right hand side of the view window. And this is the view window. The graphical view window allows you to view the model or portions of the model using selected views. And this is the end of this video. Let's watch the next video for the continuation. Thank you.